I want to acknowledge first that there's other job boards out there, but the things that set Xometry apart are that there's no fees or obligations to join other than you do quality work, but that's understood. And a huge thing that sets us apart is our financial tools. We have these financial tools specifically designed to support and grow your business. So what are these tools? We have these 4 tools: the Advance Card, FastPay, Deduct from Jobs, and offering terms and credit card payment platform to your customers. So let's dive into those each. When you take a job from the job board, we support you by giving you 50% advance. Sign up for a little advance card. It's free. It's a prepaid Visa debit card. And what we're doing is we're giving you access to the cash that you're going to make from that work up front. You can use that money for tools, supplies, raw materials, consumables, whatever you need to keep working. But because it's a Visa debit card, it's a little bit more liberal, and you have a little more control over it. You can buy tires for the shop truck. If you do business on your iPad and you get a screen crack, you can get that repaired or replaced. Whatever obstacle is keeping you from working, we want to help give you control over your cash flow to remove those obstacles. The advance card is how we advance you 50% of your payout to be able to have the access to that cash up front. On the backside, another thing that sets us apart from maybe some of your independent work is that we guarantee payment in 30 days. A lot of partners I've spoken with offer terms to their customers, net 30 terms, but customers aren't always as consistent about payment. Xometry guarantees that payment, so we give you security there. However, we offer 2 different ways of getting access to that cash faster. If you're coming to the end of the month and you just shipped a job out and you want to get paid right away, we have a tiered fee structure. So it's 4% if you want to get paid right away. And after half of that natural 30-day net term countdown, it drops down to 2%. These are not required or obligations, but they're tools there in your toolbox. I refer to these as the torque wrench, right? This is the tool in your toolbox that you only reach for when you need it, but it's the only tool that works when you need it. So again, giving you control of your cash. We also make it really clear what fees you're paying, and there's a simple calculator in your shop profile that shows you exactly what your payout and deductions are. Totally transparent. In conjunction with your advance card, we added deduct from job. This was a really key feature because we learned that there was a situation where if you take a job and you get an advance, that advance is going to get paid off by that job payout. But if you take another job and get an advance, that was going towards the spend that you spent on your card. So we allowed you to protect that expense and tie it to a specific job. So you're going to take that expense that you spent on the card and deduct it from a specific job. That way you get another job and you have access to that advance for that job too. A really huge thing, and we save the best for last. These are all really good. I don't know how to pick a best one. But through the shop profiles, we offer terms and allow you to accept credit cards. We allow you to offer terms and accept credit cards. And I want to back up a step because I started by saying whenever you take a job from the job board, you automatically get access to these financial tools. One of our first steps with creating shop profiles was specifically to respond to our partner feedback that said, hey, those financial tools are awesome and powerful, only for Xometry job board jobs. Can you help me out with my other stuff? We said, yeah, we can. So we created shop profiles specifically to connect your non-job board work to the financial tools. So the Advance Card, FastPay, and Deduct from Job are there for Xometry jobs, but the missing link that you don't need for Xometry job board work was a payment platform for your existing non-Xometry work. And through your shop profile, there's a built-in payment platform that allows you to accept credit card payments, and very importantly, allows you to offer net 30 terms to your customers that Xometry guarantees. It's a 30-second little 2 web page interface application that your customer quickly fills out. They get an email with an instant approval, and they're good to go. Then they get a credit limit that they can come back and shop with you over time. And as they pay off the balance, they have access to that limit again. So we've created a way on our job board to feed you work. But now we've created a way with our shop profiles to feed you business. And this is a way that you can strengthen and grow your shop, because now you're using your own network and your own customers and your own business. We're talking about the financial tools on this slide, but I will mention that there's a quoting tool within the shop profile that's super cool that also connects all of this stuff together. That's the thing that really connects all these dots.